I hope you filmed your little breakdown episode on camera, Rowan, because it would demonstrate very effectively the use of an electric skateboard as an alternative mode of transport. So...
I'm planning on starting a new series about that now.
Really?
So, I don't know what it's going to be called yet.
Rowan's car is shit, wrapped to awesome.
Hey guys, Rowan is here, and today is a very interesting day because I think I'm going to start up a new series, e-skate use cases. So basically, just thinking up scenarios. Oh my god, it's so windy. In the event something happens, or you need to do something, or just reasons why having an e-skate can be beneficial, can help you with your life. So the first episode, I thought I'd start off with my own personal experience. Basically, yesterday I was on my way to work and my car broke down just before I got to work. Basically, my prop shaft in my car just broke, so it just fell off and I couldn't drive it anywhere, so I had to get it towed. What that meant was I didn't have a way to get home unless the only real option is public transport. And so what I decided to do was plan out my trip as if I was walking. There's not super close public transport to the office and to my house. There's a bit of a walking distance. It would usually have I don't know, maybe 30 minutes of walking between buses and trains and whatever, between connections, right? But because I had the Raptor, because I had my skateboard, basically I was able to cut that time down to 10 minutes. Anyway, so the point of the story is I'm on my way now to pick up my hopefully fixed car, but last night and this morning I had to catch public transport to and from work, right? It hasn't been too bad. Having the e-skate, going between the tram station and then catching the tram to the train, and then from the train station to my house. I think the other advantage to this is if you don't have a car, it's a lot more fun than walking. I mean, it's more fun than driving as well, but if I could ride to work, I could. I mean, it's a lot better if you live within maybe say 10 kilometers of your work, then it really works out. Anyway, if you do think of any other use case ideas, let me know. I'm probably going to be doing a few of these. I'm going to go pick up the car now and... Oh, it's a Tesla. Okay guys, to give you some context, that car that you just saw, the one that I was riding past, I actually ended up getting really lucky with the part because if I had to order it from overseas, it would have taken about a week to get here. And because there was already a guy that had the same car as me at their workshop and he was using it for spare parts, they literally just took it right off that other Discovery and slapped the new prop shaft and U-joint on my car. And it was done in 4 hours, which is ridiculous. Anyway, back to the story.
Oh, hey. Dude, be careful, you got that. It's probably quicker than that.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
I've got a few guys who just come here for a coffee.
Alright.
No worries.
Thank you very much.
That's right.
Yeah. It works! My car works again! Yes! Oh my god. Oh, it feels so nice to have your car back. I don't want it to break down again, even though I know it will eventually. But anyway, yeah, just thought I'd clarify that and kind of make it clearer the benefits of using any skate as opposed to walking, because that is a ridiculous amount of time saving. It's really worth noting how much time you're actually saving if you don't have a car or you can't drive or whatever the reason. Assuming the road is, rideable, everything, the environment's okay for you to ride in, it's safe, then I don't see why you wouldn't want to have one. Obviously, there's a learning curve to learning to ride skateboards efficiently. There's no questioning that. And obviously the other barrier will be cost. So those are the two main things you have to consider. But yeah, I think it's worth it personally. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Looking to do more of these case studies or more of these e-skate benefit episodes in the near future. So please subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.